What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick review of these ejet ink cartridges. In this review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about these cartridges, including one thing you should know before buying. So I had to look on my printer. My printer is a little bit older. It's a Brother printer, so make sure that you have the right printer and these are compatible with it. But I got the LC201 or LC203. That is the high yield ink series. I chose to go with the LC203 of these. These are the actual ink cartridges. They come sealed just like any ink cartridges, you'd expect them to, vacuum sealed. And if you're wondering if they work, they absolutely do. They last for a long time. They have no problem at all in terms of working. Let me go ahead and do a print out here so you can actually see. All right, so I just set up a print to come out here. And here it is. So you can see this is the magenta, cayenne, yellow, and black. Black is full. Magenta is missing a few little dots here. That's actually an issue with my printer. Okay, so that's the printer heads. The ink itself, so I just want to show you, so when we open this up, the ink itself, I use this for the LC203 here, the magenta, and the black, okay? You can tell because these ones do not have a little tab. See how they don't have the tab up here? And these other ones do. But that all said, printing things out, I have not had a problem at all. As you can see, the ink works fine. Like I said, I need to work on these, but it's just kind of an old printer. So that the printer heads just aren't as clean as they should be. But yeah, so other than that, these are kind of the old ones, and then these are the new ones. As you can see, no problem at all. I printed a lot of different things with these. This is, I'm a repeat buyer. Definitely like them a lot. Now, in terms of the one thing to know, so this was definitely something that weirded me out. So this was an old generic that I purchased, and they had the tab. The actual, for my printer, the Brother ones, all have that tab, right? These do not. I was weirded out by that because basically you can pull them out, and, you can even see the little computer chip right here. You push them right in. And I was concerned that my printer wouldn't understand, hey, these are the correct ones, because there was no little locking mechanism like all the others. That doesn't matter, apparently. I don't really know everything about printer technology, but what I do know is they have that little computer chip right there, and then you have to obviously pull this yellow tab off. When you do that, these work just fine. I've had absolutely no problems with them, and as I said, the quality has been really good. So if you're at all hesitant or not really sure if they'll work, they do. They're very good. Just make sure that you get the ones that are compatible with your printer. That's the biggest thing. Obviously, if they're not compatible, they're not going to work. But otherwise, if you're wondering if they're good otherwise, yeah, they definitely are, and absolutely have no problem in recommending them.